Everybody, this is Donna, and today I'm gonna make pizza. Sorry for the loud noise. You're watching a movie. It's fine. I'm gonna make pizza with Play-Doh. So what you're gonna do is get yellow Play-Doh, yeah, and wrap it out on a plate. I did the first part, so now I'm gonna do the second. You're gonna get some red, blend it out, put it over, make sure it's smaller than it. So how I'm gonna do that is get some of it, and with this go around in a circle. That. Yeah. And after I cut that, I'm gonna use this to make it wider, but it can't be wider than this because you're gonna put it over it, and you want to see it. So for this, I'm gonna get. So I just learned that I'm gonna get some of this and put it like around it to look like the real crust. So after you've done that, it'll be looking like this. I'm gonna see if we can get more light on it. Here, so it'll be looking like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my videos right here since it's more light. This.
No, Baxter is a softie. Oh, but you know that birthday present that you made for me?
Your watch, yeah.
I want to use it to try and hack into Baxter's emails.
Okay, but you're gonna hack into it. Parents, you need to get close.
How close?
Your watch needs to be within 3 feet of his device, iPad, iPhone, whatever.
Got it. Good looking out, buddy. Talk to you soon.
Okay, so after you've done that, you're gonna get white to act like the cheese. Make sure it's not more than the red. That's what you want. So first you're gonna roll it into a little ball. Then I'm gonna move this out of the way. Then when you get it, you're gonna get my movie thingy
Aren't you on
and roll it out.
Someone that a girl like you would recognize, I can assure you, you don't know who I am.
You're Baxter's Stockman, PhD. Graduated from MIT at 15 years old. Your innovations in aerobotics and TCR have been really inspirational for me. I'm so sorry. I'm just like, I'm a nerd.
Like this. You're gonna flatten it out like you're gonna roll it out into a correct circle.
I'm a nerd, not a geek. It's the difference between like Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter, or TED Talks and
Comic-Con, yeah. Yeah.
Dr. Stockman, we just got confirmation, sir. The package is shipping later tonight.
We'll make sure
Okay, now you don't want it to be like more than what it is, so you're just gonna pat it down, smack it. Then you're gonna put it on like that. Press it down, just like that.
Oh, yeah,
Then I'll make it some more red. Be right back.
but does your boyfriend know the difference between?
Get the red plate out. So then what you're gonna do is take it out, take some of it out, small pieces. Make sure roll it out. Very small pieces. This is gonna be our pepperoni. Yeah, it's my jam. Sorry. So then what you're gonna do after you rolled it out, smush it down so it can be like this. Move fly. Then you're gonna place it on your pizza. Just like that. And then you do it all over around. I'm watching Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This could take a while. So I'm almost done. See, I'm gonna go all around. Just like that. is this thing, and it has mushrooms on it, which I want to make it. So what I'm going to do is get some brown and fill it on this end, push this down. When it's done, you take it out, put it on your pizza. And get some brown Play-Doh. Put it back. Okay, got some brown. So I'm going to get a piece. Not that small. It's kind of small though. So then what I'm going to do is pick it out, put it on one of the mushrooms. Okay, then I'm going to peel the excess of it off. The mushroom will turn out just like this. Place it softly, gently down on the pizza and look just like that. Ooh, jumbo.
Hey, Jones. Throw yours.
What up, Big Daddy Lawbreaker? On behalf of the people of New York, welcome to the Big Goodbye.
Meditated for nearly 24 hours. In 10 seconds, you will reach nirvana and total spiritual enlightenment.
So I finished it. So I added some red on top. Add one more big.
It's him. Hey.
Just like that. Here's my pizza. And now I'm going to cut it.
Hey, found your work.
Oh, looks like one of my mushrooms came off.
My name is Bebop. This is Rocksteady. I know it's a
Make
crazy
sure you
name,
press
right,
it
but
down
his
a
ancestors
little bit,
often
just
did.
like this.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
right.
it. Smack,
Fish.
smack.
Put
Turn
a
out just like
syrup
that.
down.
Be right back. So I'm back. Okay. Now I clean this because I had a lot of Play-Doh on it. So I'm gonna cut it now. So cut it to pieces. Start from here, go down. One line right here. I'll be back when I'm done. I lied. I'm not gonna be back when I'm done. Just still working on it. One more cut to go. Ta-da! I'm going to take a slice. So yummy. Hey, it's pizza and I'm watching Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles love pizza. I don't eat it though. So now you can share with your family or friends. Fake pizza, which is what I'm gonna go do right now.
What the hell are they doing in the tank?
I'm lonely in here. I made a pepperoni pizza.
Oh, damn, that actually looks badass, babe. Look at her pizza.
Go play with Ariana.
The sausage?
Yeah, and pepperoni. You know?
Sausage!
Sausage?
Go help Ariana make food.
Hey, let's make a hot dog.
Make me a burger, I'm hungry.
Sure, Daddy.
Make me a hamburger, I'm hungry.
Okay. Come on, Layla. Let's go.
Hey, you get up.
Okay. Huh? What do you want, yellow or white mayonnaise? Okay. I'll be back with part 2, making food with Play-Doh. Bye. See you next time on part 2.